Well, hello and welcome back. Yes, no bike in the shed. What does that mean? I'm going to be honest with you. I've got to put my hands up and say I'm very sorry. I misinformed you. I think being honest is the best way forward. What it was on the quick shifter, I'll show you. My mistake, misread the manual. Yes, that hole there. Yeah, let me get a pointer. Let me get to point so there. Yeah, I can grab that, that'll do it. Right. That little hole there. I know you see it. That little hole there, just there. That's where the pin goes. I had it on back to front. I do apologise about that. What you got to do is the pin's got the circle that goes around. You'll see it there. The clip there. It goes around here. And I had it the other way around, didn't I? With the bar over here, the bit that sticks up. But I read properly, had a check, and it was definitely on wrong. So you have to put the bit that sticks up and through first into the hole there. That's a bit clearer. And then you just push it on, screwdriver, lift it up into the groove. And that's how you fit them. So I put my hands up and I apologise if I misled anybody. But I think it's best policy is being honest and admit your faults. I know it's a learning curve for me because I've never touched one of these before. Chain sprocket, all wheels back on, tightened up, and chain is perfect. The chain's just perfect. I've used the true tension, yeah, out the light. The true tension motorcycle chain adjuster. On the BMW, it's 14mm chain on that gold one, and you have to do it on number 1 setting. It's quite easy to use, but all I've got to do now, that's all done and secured. I've just 100 Newton meters on the back. Just got to do the front brakes, pad change and a quick clean, and then drop her back in for an oil change, and that'll be done then. So happy days. It's rideable now, but I just want to, I don't know if you'll see. Yeah, they're not very let's pull that in. There, just there. Right there. See the shoe? The brake, that's all I've got left. A little bit, not only a bit. I'd say about 3 or 4 mil, as you can see there, clearer. Not very good, so I'll be replacing them with the new ones. There. The back ones are in, I'll show you that. Put that back to normal. The back ones are in, pins in, all brand new there. All brand new. Give that a little grease, always do. And pin goes on top, clips in and rests on the top. And that way it won't turn, only there. It won't come back towards the back of the bike. So that's all good there. Definitely is. So once you've got the front ones done, there's an oil change, brake fluid change. Look at the colour. Not very good. And the colour in there. So it'll be a brake bleed after they've done the pads. Oil change, filter change, and that's it. Give the bike a good clean, bit of detailing, and she's good to go. But I've had her on the Optimate. I'll come round this side. Yeah, she is in neutral. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So it'll all be ready for the summer, you know what I mean, warmer weather, get out, and I won't have the worry of things breaking down, like wearing worn out brake pads. The chain needed doing, definitely. So the brand new guides there. Can you see that? The chain's just sort of just above it. It's the chain, just above it, as you see, missing it. But all that is, what damages them, lack of chain maintenance. Honest to God, that's all it is. Slack chain. But I keep my eye on it. I've got to re-bleed my Scott oil here, where it had the pipe hanging. It's got big airlocks in, as you can see. Clear there. Fluid in there. So that's another job. And there's an airlock there as well, on the bend. So I'll get that sorted. That's no problem for me. Just purge it. And that'll be done. So I'm going to leave yous now and get on with the bits that I need to do. Right then. Brake pads are all done on the front. All bled. Fresh clean brake fluid all the way through. Same as the rear one. Lovely and clean. As you see, you've seen them, ain't you? The back ones. Just got to clean that rotor. Brake disc. I've done the front ones. You ain't going to see them. Oh, you are. There. All brand new. All pins are all done. Down there, the pins. So, turn it that way. Oh, shut up. I took it out of ferry mode. There you go. And that side the same. All brand new, the pins and everything. All cleaned. Thoroughly cleaned. The calipers working perfect. So that's done now. So it's just an oil change. Brake fluid's done. Oh, my Scott oil here. I've got to purge that oil free. Just purge it through till it comes out. Collect it in a bottle and then chip it back in. That, because it's clean. And I've got a bit of space at last. So that'll do me. But I'm glad it's done. I really am. Thank you for watching. Any questions, just ask. You know I'm here to fire away with you all the time. And I apologise again for about the quick shifter pin. But now you know which way it goes on. It's all sorted. Anyway, take care to the next video. Bye for now.